This is sort 7 in the blue book. So we're looking at noun suffixes, the ER, OR, IAN, and IST. So that means the ending, a suffix that goes at the end of the word on nouns. And specifically, these are the ones we're looking at. So let's take a look at what the meanings of this is. When these are added to a word, it's typically telling us that whatever that base word is being done by someone or something. So, for example, if I have librarian, it's taking library and adding I-A-N. And a librarian is someone who works at a library, which is the base word. To keep in mind also, if you're having troubles remembering, ER and OR are typically added to a verb when we're doing something. So, inventor, the first part is invent. That is a verb. I invented something. And an OR is added. In contrast to librarian, where library is not a verb, it's a noun, and then I added IAN. So that's something to keep in mind if you're trying to decide which of the ones to use. So we're going to go ahead and sort our words now. And I'm doing it a little bit differently, so it's going to be at an angle for the first little bit, and then at the end I'll move it so you can see everything a little better. But you can still read the words, it's just at a little bit of an angle. So here we go. We have believer. Otherwise, this sort is pretty easy, students, because it just follows the endings. So Asian, specialist. But you'll notice these both have root words that are not verbs. And so those typically are not going to have an ER or an OR ending. Australian, librarian, director, defender, decorator, prisoner, inventor, finalist, let's get that in there, terrorist, historian. Notice all of these are nouns also, so that's what we're working on, right, is noun suffixes. Artist, survivor, visitor. You'll see all of those in the end. Traveler. It's harder when there's lots of headings. Attacker, vocalist, guardian, speaker, creator, civilian, and admirer. So there is our correct sort in the as a completed thing. And that is sort 7.